Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a pretty interesting machine. This is a Zaconni grinder for the Zaconni lever machines. Usually they're paired with those. They're from Italy, so we had to get all the parts from Italy and source them out. But what we ended up doing on this machine is the grind was kind of acting iffy and the button was not working when we received it. And they did provide the button for us, so we didn't have to order that. But when replacing the buttons and the burr set, the grinder was not wanting to spin at all, and which is creating no more, or wasn't even creating, I would consider, fine coffee. And so we ended up having to change the whole transmission. This is the older one. As you can see, very worn out. Years and years of servicing, it's just started to give away, which is good for a little grinder like this. Is, you know, for as long as it lasted, it was really great. And so we bought the whole transmission, replaced it completely, put the button back on, and yeah, now we're just going to grind a little bit. I kind of set it to a really finer coffee just so we can test it for today. You do got two new burrs. You got the top burr, and then you have the conical bottom burr that's right in the middle. You would see if you were to grind it for the hopper, you can see that one spin. It's just that middle burr that spins. The outer burr stays in place, which is why when you adjust the outer burr, you're just putting it lower or higher, and then that's going to spin and create your grind. But as you can see, nice and powdery. And this would be for espresso, which is usually what people make on the Zaconni lever machines. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.